feel it changing. Just hold on, don't let them see you breaking. Did I let you down before I can make my peace? So if you're listening now, could you hear me out at least? My song for your I was a fool back then. I was a fool back then. Take me back to your Not on my knees quite yet, but I was a fool back then.
So we are inside of the high and the low. So for these ones, these ones are scalping. You scalp. So what I see here is that we have buyers coming in, but overall the sellers are in control. So I am thinking if we break to the downside, I can take a short position there, a 15 pip stop loss and a 30 pip target. So let's see how the market opens. All right, so the market opens and it goes direct to our take profit. So again, another day, we move on to the next day. So that is Monday, Tuesday. Come on. Wednesday, we come to the market, day 3. Right off the bat, I am very bearish. So I am thinking if the market opens and breaks below this low here, I am taking a sell 15 pip stop loss and I am targeting a 1:2. Let's see how it goes. So trade number 1, we get kicked out. All right. So we go to trade number 2. So now we are waiting for them to confirm. They do not confirm, but they give us as sellers are coming in. And then boom, this is my second trade. I am putting a 20 pips stop loss and I am targeting 40 pips. Let's see trade number 2. Okay. Trade number 2, we lose again. We move on to trade number 3. So now we know buyers are coming in. So we wait for the confirmation. Again, trade number 3, I'm going long. Yes, 20 pips stop loss, 40 pips take profit. Trade number 3, another loss. So we wait for trade number 4, which is the last trade. Again, another entry, so I'm going long here. Stop loss is there around, let's put 25 pips. I'm targeting 50 pips. All right, trade number 4. We lose. I'm done for the day. We move on to the next day. (8:45), 9:15 to 9:30. We use the 3-minute time frame. Right off the bat, I am very, very bearish. So my thinking is, if we break to the downside like that, then I am taking a short position, and a 20 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit is not bad. So how does the market open? So market opens does not really give us a breakout. So now we are looking for buys. Okay, so now we have our entry long there. 20 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit. Trade number 1 now. Damn, we get stopped out. Trade number 1. And then look at what happens. So we take another position here. That is 25 pips. We are going for 50 pips. Trade number 2. Then we get stopped out. Trade number 2. Then we go for trade number 3. Here. 25 pips. I'm going for 50 pips. I remember these days. Then you get, we are looking now for trade number 4. So we've lost almost 3 trades now. Let's wait for trade number 4. Sellers are coming in. So we need that confirmation. Yes, we got that confirmation. So we are going long. That is 18 pips. We are going for 36 pips. Damn. So we get stopped out for trades. We move on with our day. You cannot just, you move on. All right, 9 to 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 3 minutes. Right off the bat, I am very, very bullish. So if we break above, I am looking for longs. That is not bad. For a 1 is to 2, all right. Let's see, market opens. And boom, instantly we go and hit take profit. So we recover everything. Then we move on to the next day. Look at that. So for those that are wondering, we trade from 9:30. So this is 9:30 down here. So anything before, we don't trade. And right off the bat, I am very, very bearish. So if the market breaks to the downside, I'm doing 15 pips for 30 pips. All right. So the market has broken out. All right. That does not look like a breakout. We continue holding. All right. right, now that is a breakout. Trade number 1 is a loss. I am doing, that is 5 pips for 10 pips. Boom! Look at that. We recover our loss and we move on with the, and we move on. We move on. We move on. Let me see what you guys are saying. Is this paid trading view? Yes. If there is one tool that will change your trading, is TradingView Premium, where you are able to backtest your trades in live time. So we go to the 3 minute, and right off the bat, I'm very, very bearish. I am very bearish. So if we break to the downside, I am putting a 15 pip stop loss, 30 pip target. Let's see trade number 1. All right, so trade number 1 is a breakout. Trade number 2, then we get stopped out. Trade number 1. However, they give us a high and a low. So we wait for trade number 2. Okay, so we go in for trade number 2 here. We have about a 15 pip stop loss and a 30 pip target. Okay, trade number 2, we are seeing dust. Okay. Okay, trade number 3 now. We take a short position here. We are doing 25 pips for 50 pips. Trade number 3. All right, last trade. We are doing 25 pips for 50 pips. Do we survive? Damn. Sasa nini hizi unafanya? Huwezi elewa. Huwezi elewa. Hizi si vitu za beginners. Huwezi rada. We have 12 minutes remaining. 12 minutes.
Give me some time to let all your love sink in. I need a moment. Can someone pinch my skin? 'Cause now that I got you, you're the one thing I can't lose. Yeah, now that I got you, call it what you want, say it's a fantasy. I know what it is when you're next to me. It's So when this body fails to mend, and all the demons they come crashing in, will we start to begin, or will we fade away with them?
Okay. We are ready, yes. We are ready.
And in the afterlife, tell me we'll be fine. In the afterlife, tell me we'll be fine. And in the afterlife, tell me we'll be fine. In the afterlife.
Market is about to open. I am very bullish. Very Okay. Here 0.05 I buy. So I'm putting a 15 pip stop loss at 23.7744. $23,744. Okay. Which broker are you using? I'm using HFM. All right. Trade number one is a loss.
Still talk to your friends, cause they kinda feel like you. I know that's selfish of me to do, but still ask how you've been, and if you're seeing somebody know, when it's not my business too. Looking at my
Guys, I'm done. Gold, I was very bearish. Now I'm still very bearish. I would still be selling. But as for US 100, we are already done. Oh, kuna music. I forgot. Oh my God. Stop streaming.